up, yo? Gotta go for a cruise around the lake. Beautiful day to go for a cruise around the lake. It still fucking kills me that it's November and it's this nice. That's crazy. Love to see it. However, I would like some snow. I'm not in a rush because we gotta finish the Speed 6. I need my all-wheel drive car back before the snow comes. Because my ST, the last 2 years, 3 years I've had it, has proven it is not a winter car. It doesn't like the winter. And I really don't want to get a set of winter tires. It'd be cheaper to just fix the Speed 6. So, trying to get off my dick and fix the Speed 6, but we just filmed a video where we went to the store, tried to get ourselves some nuts and bolts. Unfortunately, again, they did not have what I needed. It's the third store that I went to. What is making noise? Must be my hoodie string flapping. But yeah, man, we went to a few stores. Can't find what we need. Online, no luck either. I haven't really checked like Rock Auto and or eBay or something like that. But when I was trying to find the M14, it's an M14 2.0 find thread, and I couldn't find them online. All I can find is fucking course thread, and I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do, like, if I can't find them, because the two pieces for my subframe they're welded onto the engine bay rails. So I mean, I could probably just kill the welds, put new they're like bolts that are fucking 7 to 8, probably longer than that, probably like 12 inches long. And you know, we could probably take those off and put new ones in, and that would take care of the front. The problem is the ones underneath the car, I think they're like welded into the frame, so or they're like underneath carpeting and a bunch of shit inside of the car that I really don't know how to get to. And yeah, I'm in a frustrated situation right now because I don't know what the fuck to do there. So yeah, here we are. We're making another video, just kind of riding around, talking about that situation on the way home. And I'm kind of cheesing it for content today, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, oh, it's nice. And I'm already out, and this video that I recorded was already like 30 minutes, so I said, enough content in this. Not necessarily content, it's not even content, it's just riding footage, enough footage for this video. Let's make another one, and here we are. My cat pissed on my fucking gloves, so my glove smells like cat piss. Have no idea what else she pissed on. I don't know if it was in the garage when it happened, or if it was in my office. If it's in my office, I gotta go home and fucking clean the carpet, make sure my hats and all my other shit down there doesn't have it on it. Yeah, generally kind of fucking annoyed. I hate the cat so much. She does nothing but cause problems. Just pisses everywhere, shits everywhere, regardless of how much we clean the tank, the litter box. And it's not our kitten either, it's the one that we've had for a long time. She's indoor outdoor cat, so I don't know if it's like the mix of indoor and outdoor causing an issue, but she mainly stays outside at this point, which isn't a big deal. But when she's inside for more than like a night, you know, like she stays in all night, 100% is gonna piss either by our shoes by the front door or on my shit. And I don't understand why. I think it's probably because she goes outside. But we went a good, you know, 3 months without it happening. I even bought a secondary cat litter box because I was like, well, she gave birth to kittens. We kept one of the kittens. I was like, maybe this kitten is causing territorial issues. So still don't know if that's the case here. Who's going? Somebody fucking go, because it's not me. I don't get to go yet. You go. It's your fucking turn. Holy shit, learn how to fucking drive. Please. But yeah, man, I'm just fucking, I am raged today. It's a mild rage, but I'm raged, that's for sure. Seems like I can't catch a break, man. Things are just going wrong. And trying to make the boat, you know, the most of it, the best of it. And it was working until I smelled cat piss on my gloves. Just nice to get out and ride. Might actually hit a nice little 2,100 miles before the end of the season. We did not ride very much. Last year I rode 1,500 miles within the first year. This year, we barely rode 500. It's crazy. I rode 500 miles in the first week of owning the bike, bro. That's fucking gnarly. I love it. I love bikes so much. It's just not practical for my life, and it's so frustrating because I just wish I could ride everywhere and all the time. But obviously, when you got a wife and 2 kids, it ain't that simple. Like, sure, I want to get the passenger seat, and then we could, you know, get the little clip-on backpack for the kiddo. But then it's like, we still got to take 2 cars, and da-da-da-da-da, and blah-blah-blah, and it's, I don't know. It's hard when we're going places together. And then, half the time when I'm doing shit, it's like, I need storage, so that's why I got the bag. That's helped immensely. And, you know, it's reduced my backpack needage. But still, I just feel like this year I didn't utilize the bike. I also want to use it for more than just general trips. Like, I feel like I didn't take very many joyrides this year. Last year I went on joyride after joyride, you know, like it was happening. This year it was more so purpose driven riding, and I don't necessarily want that to be the case, you know. Like, I want to ride just to have fun. I don't want to ride just because I'm going to the store, but I feel like I waste my time if I'm just going out to have a ride. I don't know. I think that's my struggle with everything in life. Like, I feel like I'm just wasting my time if I'm not gaining from what I'm doing. And like, that's not a healthy way to live, in my opinion. Because there's more to life than consumerism and money and earning and, you know, earning beyond currency. Like, to me, I need to be either progressing my life, things in the house, you know, learning things that I want to learn, and or earning money. And to me, if I'm not doing one of those things that is progressing me as a person and my life forward, I feel like I'm fucking wasting time. And I feel like riding the bike, it progresses my skills as a rider, but it's not gonna progress me as a person. So unless I'm going out to do something, I just don't ride. And it's not why I got into biking in the first place. Like, I wanted the bike to just ride and have fun. I don't know if making the vlogs and this is kind of turning it into something that it shouldn't have been, but at the same time, I have this internal drive and will and voice telling me that I shouldn't give up on YouTube, and I shouldn't give up on vlogs in general, and I shouldn't give up on content. I just feel like a lot of my life is fucking piece of shit. A lot of my life is content. Like, what if I got over and you fucking hit me? That's my thing too. I'm gonna get on your ass now. You pay attention. Didn't hurt nobody, but I wanted to get over. I was about to get over. Thank God I fucking looked. God, I hate people, dude. But, you know, like, that's my thing. I mean, we did have some pretty horrific events happen this year in my life around bikes, and that kind of turned me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely took like a 3-week break, maybe a month break of just riding. I just didn't feel comfortable, and even when I did ride, I barely rode. So yeah, just in general, I don't really know. I just feel like I'm limiting myself to only riding when I go do something, or when I want to film, and that's not why I got the bike. I want to go on some road trips. I want to film the road trips too, but I want to do some distant rides, and I'm not doing that. So hopefully, my whole point in this is next year, you know, unfortunately, we have to say next year. I hate doing that and timing myself and saying next year we'll do it because we didn't get to this year. Fucking go! Quit fucking with your goddamn shit, bro. Your damn prep ass bitch. Fucking think you're rich and better than fucking everybody, dude. I make money too, but I'm not a fucking conceited douchebag to the world. Fuck. But yeah, my goal next year, enough ranting, is to go on some long distance rides. I want to go far. I want to go far. We're gonna fucking do it. Nothing is gonna hold me back. I don't really care. Like, I'm gonna neglect things that I probably shouldn't neglect in my personal life around the house, and or hopefully next year it's just all done. Like, my goal is to take the next 2 months and just crush everything that I need to crush in the house. Just get it all done. Get it all fucking done. Get it out of the way. And that way, when it comes to the riding season next year, we're free. We have time. So, alright, enough talking shit. I am about to be to the house, so thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Sorry, my life is a fucking mess and I just sit here talking shit every day, but it is what it is, right? Bye.